असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतगमय. O Lord, lead us from unreal to real. Lead us from darkness to knowledge. Lead us from mortality to immortality. Dear friends, I have immense pleasure to welcome you all to this prestigious seminar, that is Human Excellence Beyond Academic Excellence, on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission has decided to celebrate this great event all over India and abroad with many service projects and symposium, seminar, workshop on higher education program and youth program. Ramakrishna Mission Mumbai has also decided to celebrate this great event all over Maharashtra with various programs. Question may arise in our mind why we have chosen the subject of this seminar, Human Excellence Beyond Academic Excellence, because Swami Vivekananda was an embodiment of human excellence. In him, we find that all faculties, dimensions of human life were fully manifested or fully developed. Swami Vivekananda was the man of total or complete human excellence. Generally, when we talk about the human excellence, we understand that human excellence means only academic excellence. And when we talk about the academic excellence, we only mean that academic excellence is to collect informations, facts, figures from different sources and to secure good marks in the various examination, to get certificates from school, colleges and university, and to get good job with good pay package. That's all. But dear friends, academic excellence doesn't mean only all these. Academic excellence is something more. All of you know that human life has various aspects, various faculties, various dimensions. And according to Swami Vivekananda, that academic excellence is the manifestation of perfection already in man. In other words, we can say the human excellence is man-making, or academic excellence is man-making, character building, nation building. And this academic excellence is beyond something only to have a degree and diplomas in various fields is not academic excellence. And in Swami Vivekananda, we find the fullest expression or manifestation of this human excellence. For example, you see the car have 4 wheels, and the 4 wheels should function in harmony. Then only car can move or can run without any trouble, smoothly, very smoothly. Similarly, for achieving human excellence, the all faculties, dimension, facets of human life should function or should be developed harmoniously. Then only we can achieve this perfect human excellence. Dear friends, broadly we can say that there are 2 dimensions of human excellence. The first dimension is physical or material dimension, and second is the divine dimension. All of you know about the physical and material dimension of human life, but many of us do not know the divine dimension of human excellence. And when the material or physical dimension is combined or coupled with the divine dimension, then we can achieve what is called the perfect human excellence. And any excellence, whether in the field of science, whether the field of technology, whether the field of intelligence, whether in the field of economy or industry, no excellence can sustain or no excellence can be meaningful without the divine dimension of human life. Therefore, my dear friends, if you want to have perfect human excellence, then we should have both this material or physical dimension and divine dimension. The human being has many faculties, that is physical faculty, that is intellectual faculty, social faculty, moral, ethical, and spiritual faculty. All these faculties should be developed simultaneously for achieving human excellence. I don't want to take much of your time. Here, Srinivas is present here. All other, I see the galaxy of educationists, academicians, students, administrators, head of institutions are present here, and I am sure today's deliberation, presentation will benefit all of us. I don't want to take much of your time. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you to this prestigious seminar, that is Human Excellence Beyond Academic Excellence. I would like to conclude my welcome speech with this famous Vedic prayer, that is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya. Let all be happy, let all be healthy. Namaskar, Dhanyavad.